So who do you think is going to win now? All right, so it's halftime. Stadium. San Diego State. What's the score, babe? 49-23. Who? Aztecs. Who do you think is going to win now? Who do you think is going to win now? Aztecs? Is it cool? You like it? It's not bad, huh? Alright, so we're signing off. Nicole's first SDSU basketball game. She called the first half wrong. Or she called the game in the first half wrong. Now that you've seen what the basketball Aztecs can do, you think they're going to win?
Congratulations, Andre. Going to get that $100 American Express gift card.
All right, man.
And that is courtesy of Toyota.
Hasta la pasta.
Our runner-up is going to receive an SDSU t-shirt. Thanks to both of you for your participation in the Toyota race.